Hello my clever friends, my name is C and I am here to take you on a cool and creative adventure with the letter C. Are you ready? Let's learn some cool words that start with me. Now sing a song about the letter C. Clap your hand and join me.
C is for cat, soft and sweet, purring and playing, oh what a treat. C. C is for car, racing so fast, zooming down the road, having a blast. C is for cake, a yummy delight, with frosting on top, it's a wonderful sight. C is for cup, filled with hot tea, sip it so gently, come share it with me. C is for colors, bright and bold, red, blue and yellow, stories unfold. C is for clouds, fluffy and white, floating in the sky, a beautiful sight. C is for camel with humps on its back, walking through deserts it stays on track. So many fun things that start with a C. Come and join the fun and sing along with me.
Now it's time to learn how to write the letter C. Follow me as I show you how to trace it. Great job! That's how you write a big C. Now let's try the small c. You are doing great. Grab your pencil and practice tracing the letter C on your paper. You have been such clever learners today. Keep practicing the letter C and look for C words around you. See you. Bye bye.